Okay, so you spent a lot of time creating digital content last year, and you don't want to have to redo that. So I'm going to show you how to get your stuff from your last year's courses into this year's courses pretty easily. So I'm going to go to my fall course, and I'm going to go to settings. I can remember how to do this. Over on the side, you're going to see import course content. Some options here, and you're going to copy a Canvas course is what you're going to do to get anything that you have in Canvas into here. Now you have some options. I'm going to show you what I like to do. There are other ways to do this. First things first is you need to find the course you want to import from. So what I'm looking for is fall 2017. This is my most recent fall course. And I actually don't want to include all content. If you click all content, everything you did gets dumped in, which may be what you want to do. I don't. I like to do kind of a little bit at a time so I don't get overwhelmed. And then I also like to adjust the events and due dates. If you don't, it's going to maintain the same due dates, and I found that got a little bit confusing. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove all the dates so that I can redo them however I want. Once you have those settings, you're going to click Import, and you should get an option like this. What you need to do here now is go into the previous Canvas course and select your whatever you want to bring over. So I'm going to go here first, and I'm going to get some of my home pages. These are the actual pages that I created, they're static pages that I want to reuse. And I think this was my home page, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can select lots of things. You can select assignments, quizzes, you can select entire modules if you want. So it's up to you. Click as many as you want or as few. You could do one at a time. Once you're done that, you just select content and wait. Oh, I don't know what my issue is. Let's see, missing link. Oh, that's fine. Don't worry about that. So now if I go into pages, I should have some options here where I just imported those 3 pages, and they are there. They're going to be just like you left them. So obviously if you need to, what my error was is that this link no longer exists because it links to a module that I don't have in this class. So you'll need to recreate links and so on as needed. Hope that helps.